Look, I don't even know what I want to call this lip, but it reminds me of Victoria Monet. She wears a lot of beautiful browns that looks gorgeous on her skin. Let me tell you something. When you go out, you are going to roll up looking like a coffee mocha, okay? This lip is smoking. It's so smooth. It's so cool. And it's like you're not trying too hard, but it's definitely giving, okay? So, first, you put your NYX dark brown liner on the circumference of your lip. Then use the NYX matte lipstick, and this is called Minx Seductress. I will link everything so you know exactly where to buy it. And I had put this matte right here on the outer part of the lip. I love it because it gets like a dry look, okay? And then in the way inner part of my lip, I put in the NYX Butter Gloss. And this is called Caramel. Okay, it looks like it's melting. And so I'm going to show you exactly where I put it. Only here in the inner hearts. Now, the reason I only put it in the inner part is because I want to keep the matte look on the outer part of my lip because I love the contrast. It's a cute little contrast between a matte look and a glossy look, okay? You got the best of both worlds, girl. You know, a cute lip looks good on anybody and everybody, okay? Please try this look. You will not regret it. You're going to be looking like Victoria Monet when you step out. Giving mocha kisses, mocha kisses, mocha, mocha, mocha. Okay, so these are my 3 products. Oh my goodness. And one thing for me, I love experimenting. So just buy whatever you love in the store, whatever you think looks good, and just start mixing and matching. So this is NYX eyeliner in dark brown. This is NYX a matte lipstick, and this is called Minx Seductress. And then this is an NYX butter gloss called Caramel. Okay, these are the 3 products that I used on my lips, and I will share the links in the description. Okay, try this color. It looks gorgeous. Get you that liner, put it on the outside, then put the matte on the outer part of your lip, and put the gloss in the inner part. So that way you have that dry and glossy contrast all in one. And he's gonna love your lip. Okay, check it out. Booga.